and welcome back to RTM Carnatic. In today's session, we are discussing Namavali, its significance, and take a closer look at the powerful Shivashtakam, Prabhum Prana Naadham. We will also explore pronunciation techniques, singing at different speeds, its prominence in Carnatic music, and provide useful exercises to aid your practice. Now, what is Namavali? Namavali refers to the chanting or singing of divine names in a rhythmic and melodic manner. It plays a vital role in devotional music, connecting the singer and listener with a deep sense of spirituality and bhakti. Singing Namavali enhances focus, devotion, and a meditative state. Since Namavalis are often set to specific rhythmic patterns, they help in developing Laya Jnanam, called rhythmic awareness. Repetitive chanting refines pronunciation and strengthens breath control. Example: Prabhum Prana Naadham Vibhum Vishwanadham Jagannathanadham Sadananda Bhajam Bhavadbhavya Bhuteshwaram Bhutanadham Shivam Shankaram Shambhumishanamide. Namavali is widely performed in bhajans, temple rituals, and concerts, adding a divine aura to the atmosphere. Let us now take a look on one of the most famous and beautiful Namavali, Shivashtakam. Shivashtakam is a powerful Sanskrit hymn dedicated to Lord Shiva, describing his divine attributes. Prabhum Prana Naadham is one of the most revered compositions filled with deep spiritual and musical essence. Proper pronunciation of Sanskrit verses is essential for maintaining the lyrical beauty and essence of the composition. Here is a breakdown of the first verse. Prabhum Prana Naadham Vibhum Vishwanadham Jagannathanadham Sadananda Bhajam. This verse glorifies Lord Shiva as the supreme being, the cosmic sound, the ruler of the universe, and the eternal source of bliss. To master this Shivashtakam, practice it in 3 speeds. 1. Vilambita means slow speed. Prabhum Prana Naadham Vibhum Vishwanadham Jagannathanadham Sadananda Bhajam. Focus on pronunciation and bhava expression. 2. Madhyama means medium speed. Maintain rhythmic accuracy and melodic flow. Bhavadbhavya Bhuteshwaram Bhutanadham Shivam Shankaram Shambhumishanamide. 3. Drutha means fast speed. Enhance breath control and ensure clarity in pronunciation. Prabhum Prana Naadham Vibhum Vishwanadham Jagannathanadham Sadananda Bhajam Bhavadbhavya Bhuteshwaram Bhutanadham Shivam Shankaram Shambhumishanamide. So, here are some easy exercises for perfecting Shivashtakam. 1. Pronunciation practice. Break down each verse into syllables and chant clearly. Prabhum Prana Naadham Vibhum Vishwanadham Jagannathanadham Sadananda Bhajam. 2. Swara alignment. Sing the hymn using basic swaras to understand its melodic structure. Ga 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 ri ga 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 ri ga ga. 3. Tala clapping. Maintain a proper talam while singing to internalize the rhythm. 4. Breath control. Sustain long phrases without strain by practicing deep breathing techniques. If you haven't watched the videos on long sustaining notes, we are posting the link in the description. Please go through it. And 5. Speed transition. Start slow and gradually increase the tempo for fluency. With consistent practice, clear pronunciation and mindful singing, this piece can be beautifully rendered in various tempos. We hope this session has provided you with insights and motivation to practice diligently. Keep honing your skills and remember, the key to mastering Carnatic music is dedication, discipline and devotion. If you found this lesson helpful, Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to RTM Carnatic for more enriching sessions. Leave a comment below with your thoughts and what you would like to learn next. Keep practicing, keep singing.